Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both phones. This creates the connection Quick Share uses. Once done, open the Quick Share option from the Share sheet or Settings. Grant location if prompted so devices can discover each other. Make sure both screens are unlocked and device names are visible. This helps you pick the right recipient quickly. Stand close, about 1 to 3 meters, because a stable link speeds transfer and reduces drops. You now pick the content to send, photos, videos, or any file, then tap the share icon and choose Quick Share. When the recipient appears, tap their device name. The phones exchange a handshake to verify identity, so wait for the pairing prompt. Once the recipient sees a preview, they should tap Accept. This confirms both sides and begins the transfer. If you're sending multiple files, Quick Share queues them, so transfers continue automatically without extra taps. You'll see progress indicators showing % and estimated time. Stay on this screen until completion to avoid interruptions. Once done, files land in the gallery or your Files app. Open one to confirm integrity and you're finished. If a transfer fails, first toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth off and on, then retry. This often resets the connection. If problems persist, restart Quick Share or reboot the phones and try again within 2 minutes to keep discovery active.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.